Hi, welcome. Introductions, introduction, introduction, introductions, introductions. Introduce yourself in English. Introduce yourself, English. Introduce yourself in English. 1. Greeting, 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 greeting. Hello, 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 hello. Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Hello, hi, good morning. 2. Name. My name is Bob. My name is Alex. My name is George. I'm Bob. I'm Alex. I'm George. Name. My name is John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. A. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Country, city, country, country, city. I'm from USA, the USA. I'm from Brazil. I'm from France. I'm from Japan. I come from USA. I come from Japan. I come from Brazil. I come from Switzerland. I'm from USA. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. Oh, oh, I've been to Canada. I've been to USA. I've been to Japan. I been to Japan. I'm from USA. I've been to Japan. USA, Japan. USA, Japan. USA, Japan. I've been to USA. I've been to Japan. Hobbies, interest. Hobbies, interest. Hobby, hobby, hobby. I like reading books, books. I like playing video games, Video games. I like playing soccer. Soccer. I like. I like. I like. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy video games. I enjoy soccer. A. I like reading. Reading. I like. I like reading. I like reading. And playing soccer. I like reading and playing soccer. Very cool. That's cool. That's cool. I love. I love soccer too. I like books and I like soccer too. I like. I enjoy. I like reading and playing soccer. Reading, playing soccer. And. And. Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Greeting. 1. Greeting. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Your name. 2. My name is Bob. My name is Alex. My name is George. My name is John. Country, city, country. I'm from USA. I'm from the USA. I'm from the USA. Hobbies. I like eating. I like listening to music. I like piano. Piano. And nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Practice. You practice. Hi, I'm Bob. I'm from the USA. I like traveling, learning languages, English, Spanish, French, German languages. Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm Bob. I'm from the USA. I like traveling, learning languages. Nice to meet you. Thank you.